Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogitha. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about food additives. Now, food additives are the substance which not naturally present in the food in a basic food item. But these are the substance which added to the food item during its preparation and it remained in the end. So, generally now, these food additives are the non-nutritious substance which added to the particular food item to improve its color, maybe to improve the taste, texture or appearance. We are adding that something and we are enriching this color, taste, texture, everything. Now that is called food additives. Now these food additives will happen in two categories. Food additives for first category and food additives in second category. Now let us discuss in first category. Food additives in first category. Now here, as per the rule, as per the regulation or as per the government order, one who is processing this food material they are preparing, they are adding something to the food. They are mixing some additional amount of material to the food item. Now that is called food additives in first category. Here they are following the rules and regulation. They are following the guidelines. It as per the law of government. As per WHO recommendation they are doing that. Now for example, coloring agent. Adding some coloring agent to the food material. For example, saffron or turmeric which looks yellow in color. They are adding some coloring agent. Then flavoring agent like vanilla essence. It's a flavoring agent like we will tell. For example, vanilla cake. See, added that coloring, that flavoring agent, vanilla essence to a particular item. Now, sweetening. To improve the sweet, usually what we use jaggery sugar. But more sweet, here they are adding saccharin. Saccharin is added for the more sweetness. And preservatives like sodium benzoate and sorbic acid. These are added. Now, these all materials, these all contents are added in a prescribed amount only. There is a certain rules to explain you that how much has to be added. These preparations, these manufacturers are following these rules and adding only in that limited quantity. Now, this is in some terms can also called as food fortification. As we learned in previous class, adding vitamin A, vitamin D to the oil or milk, or else iodizing the salt. Okay, now this is also can call food fortification. Now here they are taking all the measures within a limit order, within a prescribed amount. They are adding some additional material to the food. Now this is food additives in first category. Now we are discussing the food additives in second category. Now food additive means we are adding some substance to the food so that we are trying to enrich. Now here incidentally something can be added to the food item. Now that may lead to the contamination of food. Now this can happen from the production till preparation and the distribution. Throughout the process, in between somewhere accidentally or incidentally mixed up with some materials. Now this leads to adulteration. Now this is a second category. Here they will not follow any rules. They are not aware how much is added and they are not bothered. And also as per the rule, if you add any flavoring agent, added colors, that need to be mentioned in the label. You need to mention the quantity and how much. Students, you please check with some of the packet food item what you get. Maybe a sweet, or maybe you brought some son papadi, or you brought some kind of moong dal to eat. You can read they will write the energy value, protein, carbohydrate. Along with that, they will also mention, they'll also write that added what is prescribed colors are added, flavoring agents are added. So they are mentioning that. They are saying that they added something. Now here, when it is food additives in the second category, they don't mention and they don't know the measures that how much they added. So that can also turn to food adulteration. So this is called food additives. I hope you understood. Food additives is nothing but we are adding a non-nutritious substance to the food material so that they are trying to increase the color, texture, taste, appearance of that food material. The two types is food additives of first category and food additives of second category. First category, as per the rules, they are adding something to enhance or enrich the food material. In second category, it is incidentally contamination of that food. It also leads to food adulteration. I hope you understood. Please keep watching and keep reading so that I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you all.